The traps are the muscle that give your upper body that well-rounded, strong, athletic, and aesthetic appeal. In this video, we'll break down the trap muscles, what they actually do, the best exercises to hit each part, and some stretches to keep your neck and shoulders pain-free. The trapezius has three parts: upper, middle, and lower region. The upper traps elevate and upwardly rotate the shoulder blade, like when you shrug or lift overhead. The middle traps retract your shoulder blades, like when you are doing rows. The lower traps depress and stabilize the shoulder blades, important for pulling down and overhead stability. Together, they support posture, protect the neck, and improve shoulder mobility. When it comes to training, hit your upper traps with shrugs, farmer's carries, or upright rows. Build your middle traps with rows and face pulls. And strengthen your lower traps with Y raises, prone trap raises, or straight arm pull downs. Train heavy on shrugs and carries for strength, then add face pulls and raises to fully develop all three parts. Overactive traps often cause tightness and neck pain. Stretch with upper trap stretches, ear to shoulder with gentle pressure. Neck rotations and extensions. A balanced trap routine isn't just about size, it's about posture, stability, and pain-free movement. Subscribe for more anatomy-backed breakdowns.